Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It, and today we're going to change the front struts on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Alright guys, jack up the car, remove the wheel, and this is your strut assembly right here. So we're going to start by removing this 19mm bolt that holds the sway bar link in place. If the strut starts spinning on you, you might have to get a pair of vice grips or something to hold the strut from the back, okay? Next, we're going to remove these brackets that hold the brake line in place. There's one here, and one here, and also one behind the strut here, and they're all 12mm. Next, we're going to take off this bolt and the one below it, and you can put a 19mm wrench here and take off this nut. This is a 24mm. Alright guys, let's remove this sway bar link. If it's too tight, just jack up the suspension and then you're able to take it out. Alright guys, I'm still using the jack to jack up the suspension a little bit. It makes it easier to take out these bolts. And also, it won't drop. Once you take out these bolts, this is going to come forward and down. So if you're not going to use anything, just be careful because you don't want these lines to get caught up and get pulled, okay? If you have to take out this bracket, do so, but you shouldn't have a problem, okay? So let's take out these bolts. All right. See, it didn't drop down, didn't do anything. So let's get the bolts on top. Don't remove this one all the way, okay? All right, guys, let the jack down and separate the spindle from the strut. And now you're gonna undo that last bolt on top, and this thing will come out. Okay, this is what the new part looks like. This is for the left side, and that's the part number for the right side, okay? I got these from AutoZone.
Make sure you got the strut facing up the right way, with the link out, pushing for the link out going that way. Between all your wirings and your gloves, there you go. Woohoo! Woohoo!
All right. Just putting the nuts on top while I'm doing this.
While I'm holding it, one more nut. Should be able to let it go. I got two started.
All right.
I just need the nut.
Just make sure all these lines don't get messed up.
But make sure the link will get back around.
Yeah. All right. Just gotta lift it. All right. This bottom bolt is a pain in the butt to put on because this brake line is in the way. So just take off the top bolt over here for this caliper and just swing it out of the way to give you enough room to get this bolt bent easily. All right, guys, don't forget to put your sway bar link on. And if you took this off, just make sure you put it back together. And that's it. Be sure we torque these after the car's on the ground. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.